If you've been using PixArt for video editing, photo editing, and lots more, this particular video is for you. Currently, PixArt just launched a creators monetization program. In this very video, I'm going to be showing you how the PixArt creators program works and how you can actually join. So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and create your account on PixArt. PixArt is not really discriminating. Wherever you are watching from, you can actually get started on this very platform. And the best part is that you don't need to be pro user for you to access the creators monetization program. Okay, this is the website you have to simply go into. Okay, when you click on this right here, this is what they said: create with PixArt, share it on your social media, get your own commission, okay, based on the views and engagement. All right, for you to get started with this, you need to simply go ahead and create your account and click on this apply now, okay, to become a creator. Okay, so you click on this create account and they're going to simply ask you some series of questions. Okay, so you have to simply answer them, then click on the get started button. Then you have to simply sign up with either your Google account, your Facebook, your Apple, or your email. Okay, so click on this Google account. So this is a new account I'm creating for the sake of this very video, right? So all we need to do is simply click on this go ahead and continue. So I'm not going to be using my main account for this. I'm going to be creating a new account altogether and show you how we start this from scratch. Okay, so just click on this continue button, then click on this continue, and on this very section you have to simply provide some details about you, right? So everything has been verified and they said here you are eligible, your PixArt account meet all program requirements. Okay, so click on the continue button, and on this section you need to select your country, right? So these are the list of countries available here. All you need to do is simply come to this very section and select your own country. Let's say I want to type in Nigeria right here. I'm going to simply select Nigeria and also confirm that I am 18 years above. All right, so click on this continue button, and when you click on that, then scroll down and reach the terms of service. Okay, so I've already read this, so understood it from my previous account, okay, which I'm using for this. All right, so come over to this very section and click on this, and this is a brand new account. Okay, so on this very section right here, they've already brought out the current campaigns that are trending right now, which is also on my old account. Okay, so you can see for all, you can see for Instagram, for YouTube there's none for YouTube now. They have 1 or 2 for TikTok, and also there's none for X. Okay, so I'm going to simply be selecting the all. Pick the programs that are trending or the campaigns that are trending. Okay, this is where creators produce PixArt related content on Instagram or TikTok. Okay, for you to unlock it, you just have to click on it. All right, then it's going to simply take you to the main page. All right, and when you open that, you're going to see we have the PixArt program right here. You have the whole instruction of what you have to do. Okay, so go to your PixArt, open the PixArt app. This is what they said: you open the PixArt app or the website, then pick your edit. Okay, choose any PixArt features or techniques to make content. All right, some ideas: AI tools, background remover, AI generated content, drawing on sticker, and collage. Okay, so pick any of them. Pick something you genuinely enjoy using. Your enthusiasm will come true. All right, so you have to create something. Just create something on PixArt. When you create that design, you can actually post it on Instagram or TikTok. Okay, post your video with a caption using PixArt creator and tag at PixArt. Okay, you can see the whole instruction, and this is what you have to read, okay, for you to qualify for this program. All right, so you have to simply read through it, and this is what they say: keep the video up for 30 days. Make sure your account is set to public and don't delete the video for at least 30 days. All right, so you have to make sure that your Instagram account or your TikTok account is set public. All right, this is what they say: make sure PixArt is clearly mentioned, which is this art, on your post or visible on your post. Okay, need inspiration, take a look at this content. You can see right here, these are the content that people are creating already. So if you click on this very one here, then this is going to simply take you to TikTok, so you can see what other people are doing and also do the same thing that they are doing. All right, particular guy right here, this is what it says. Okay, you can see PixArt art, this is the hashtag, and also this is the mention. Okay, it has 5k likes, it has 48 comments, and also 2k saved. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this video and check out how it looks like. Okay, don't ever copy people's video, don't re-upload people's video. Make sure you create your own original content. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this video and check it out. Okay, and you just saw what the guy did there. Okay, that's basically what PixArt requires you to do. Like, you have to actually do something with the PixArt application. All right, you need to actually create something with the PixArt application. It could be how to remove photo background, it could be anything. Like the instruction they gave us, it could be anything. And the best part is that you don't need to do a pro setup. You don't need to do a pro video editing. You can actually show a video before and after of you doing something, right? So like I'm making this video right now of me sitting here recording this video, and also the after could be changing the background to something else. Okay, so that's basically what they want you to do, and you have to upload it on your TikTok. You can upload it on your Instagram, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and connect your TikTok or your Instagram. Okay, so if you click on this section right, you have to simply connect your Instagram for that particular campaign. Remember, this campaign is for Instagram, okay, and also for TikTok. Okay, you have to simply go ahead and add your Instagram username, and it will be connected for you, right? And that's basically how this thing work. And if you pick the ones that are for TikTok, if you come back to this very section and you want to pick the one that is for TikTok alone, just click on it. All right, you can see this one is basically for TikTok. But if you scroll down right, you're going to see the instruction. Go to your PixArt, start recording, start screen recording on your device. Okay, like this could be your laptop or your mobile phone. If you don't have a screen recording application, just go to your Play Store. You have to search for PixArt. This is the application right here. You have to search for it. This is the application. Okay, so this is going to simply help you record your phone screen. All right, simply connect your TikTok by adding your TikTok username. Okay, so that's basically how it works. I'm not going to connect my TikTok because I've already connected it on my old account. Okay, so apart from that, there's another way, which is the affiliate program on PixArt. Now come over to your profile picture right here. Just click on the affiliate section, and on this affiliate section, you're going to simply copy your affiliate link, where you can actually bring creators on PixArt. Okay, copy your affiliate program, which is basically your referral link. Okay, when you copy that, the next you need to do is simply create original content on your blog, telling people about PixArt. Okay, log into your blog, then go to the post section right here, click on add new post. Okay, so this is our post section. Okay, this is the affiliate link, and the next thing we're going to do right now is simply create full detailed content for this. All right, remember this particular website already have Astera dash Montag, and that is basically how your website can actually be monetized. All right, so if you come to this very section, the next thing you need to do right now is simply go to your Cloudy AI. Okay, all right, so once you head over to Cloudy AI, the next thing you need to do is simply go ahead and paste this very prompt, and I'm going to be dropping this prompt on our WhatsApp channel. All right, once it's done writing it, you have to make sure you edit it, and also make sure you add your own vibe, what you already know about PixArt. Add it there, add some screenshots, make it original. Okay, you can add some video backing your content up. All right, and once you have this in place, this is going to simply work for you. All right, so once you add the prompt, I've already been adding this particular prompt on this very chat. Okay, so I don't need to add it again. I'm going to simply ask you to follow my previous prompt and give me this particular content. Okay, so I'm going to simply be searching for some keywords to write on, okay, that are trending on Google at the moment. So just type in PixArt and scroll down here. We don't really want all of those stuff. Okay, so just go over to people also ask for. Okay, so you can see right here, people also search for. This is a basic way of you getting the best stuff you want. Okay, so all I need to do is simply copy this keyword. You can see PixArt Creators Program. So let's go ahead and click on this PixArt Creators Program. Then go back to your Cloud AI. So let's go ahead and send it out. Okay, all of this stuff are all in HTML format. Okay, so once we are done writing, the next we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this. So let's go ahead and remove this. We're going to add it back later. Okay, so once you have this, go ahead and click on this code section, then you paste your code here. Then click on visual. I'm going to edit this, add some features, and also add my own view, all right, before making it public. Okay, so that it should be 100% original and not just AI generated stuff. All right, so I'm going to simply go ahead and edit this and get back to you shortly. Right away, don't go anywhere. Alright, so we've already optimized everything and customized everything. The next thing we have to do right now is simply add the featured image. Okay, just go back to the platform you want to promote. Okay, so let's say I want to use this particular page as the screenshot, as the featured image. I have to do a screenshot. All right, so let's say I want to screenshot this. Okay, so that's the screenshot. I have to simply go ahead and save it on my desktop. So click on this and drag it. Okay, then drag this as well. Okay, then click on okay, then you save it, set featured image. Okay, so click on open. So go ahead and click on this set featured image. All right, so it has been added here, and the next thing you have to do is simply hit on the publish button. All right, so remember, before you hit on the publish button, you can actually add the get started button, all right, which is your PixArt official affiliate link. Okay, then you can highlight it, then add it here. All right, it seems like I have not copied it yet, so I'm going to simply copy again, then come here. All right, so you can see by here we have it, and the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and click on the publish button. So this is basically what we have here. We have the PixArt affiliate program, right? So you can see the full details has been added, right? The next thing you need to do right now is simply go ahead and promote this particular blog. The more you promote this, the more you are promoting PixArt, okay? The more you're promoting PixArt, and you can actually add your TikTok, your Instagram post to your own blog, okay? That's going to simply give you more visibility. Just go ahead and check out this video shown on the screen right now. It's going to simply give you the best way to get more traffic to your website and product, okay? So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to this very channel. It's going to simply help you to push this particular video up there, okay? For people that need it, right? Go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel for more daily update, okay? See you in the next one.